Congratulations for reaching this part of the course. If you have no studies in marketing and this is your first contact with the research and analysis, allow me to congratulate you. I've been in your shoes and I know exactly how it feels. You've done an amazing job and probably the hardest part so far, but it is a crucial part of brand building. Knowing where you stand in relation to competitors and external influences will make things a lot easier. I hope you have gained a lot of clarity on your industry and your positioning. Let's wrap it up in a few bullets. When defining your brand concept, the first thing you should do is to understand the emerging trends and the way that they impact your business. Then focus on building a sustainable and circular model for your business. Define your target market. Check if there is a special niche you can address. Research on your competition. Define your strengths. Be quick on identifying your weaknesses. Look for opportunities for growth. Scan the environment for threats. Check the history of your industry. Follow your curiosity and pause to get fresh ideas. Check modern culture for emerging trends and define your unique selling point. These are the core elements for the concept of your brand. It's more like a marketing research that you need to perform before actually going into the visual identity and the personality of your brand. This is the foundation of your brand. So now that you have so much information about the external environment and gained knowledge about your main competitive advantage, what makes your business unique, you can start defining the concept of your brand. You've looked at the experience your main competitors deliver to their customers, their brand personality, visual identity, voice, and mood, the atmosphere they create around their brand. The reason behind why we look at competition is to see how they approach the business and brand building, so we can have a totally different approach. It is useful to understand what works and find ways to stand apart. So customers do not want the same product under a different label. Customers want a different concept. They want a different brand. And now it is time for you to set yourself apart and create a unique brand concept. Time to write your value proposition. And think of the unique experience you want to deliver to your customer when interacting with your brand. Start with a product or service and describe how you solve your customer's biggest pain. What's the first thing you want to pop in your customer's mind when thinking of you? This is your concept. What kind of interaction do you want to create between your customer and your brand? How do you want to make your customer feel? And what kind of mood do you want to create around your brand? What kind of personality does your brand have? And if it were to include this personality in a visual style, what kind of category would you pick? What kind of style would best describe your brand? And if you only had one or two words, how would you sum up the personality of your brand, the visual style, and the mood it creates in a name? The name of the brand should concentrate the concept you have for your brand, and it should set the tone. Think of the name as the essence of your brand concept. These are the questions that would set your brand apart. The personality of your brand, the mood, the atmosphere you create, and the experience you and only you design for your customer.